Hi, today's topic is the explanation of the verbs do, does, and did. Let's learn how to use them with examples. Do is used with plural subject I, you, we, they. Does is used with singular subject he, she, it. Did is used with both singular and plural subject I, you, we, they, he, she, it in the past tense. Let's start with do. Example sentences. I do my work daily. You do your work well. In both sentences, we use do because the subjects are plural I and you. For I, you, we, they, we use do, so here we use do. Do can be used in negative sentences by adding not, that is, do not or don't. Example 1. I don't like chocolates. Here we use don't to express that I do not like chocolates. Example 2. They don't miss the class. Here we use don't to express that they do not miss the class. We also use do in yes or no questions. For examples, do you like chocolates? Do I look like my father? In both sentences, we use do to form a question where the answer will be either yes or no. Do is used with WH questions. For examples, when do we start the pending work? Where do you live? In both sentences, we use do with when and where. Now let's move to does. He does play cricket. She does her work properly. It does rain heavily today. In all sentences, we use does because the subjects are singular he, she, it. Does is also used in yes or no questions. Examples: does he play cricket? Does she work properly? Does it rain today? Here we use does to form a question where the answer will be either yes or no. Does can also be used in negative sentences by adding not, does not or doesn't. Examples: he does not play cricket, she does not work properly, it does not look good. Does is used with WH questions. Examples: what does he like to drink? Where does she live? Why does it always rain at night? Finally, let's discuss did. Did is the past tense of do. Did is used with both singular and plural subjects. Examples: they did go to the mall yesterday. She did her homework. In both sentences, we use did because the action happened in the past. A common mistake is using the past participle form of the verb with did. Example: they did go to the mall yesterday. Many people mistakenly say they did went to the mall yesterday, which is incorrect. Always use the base form of the verb after did. Did is used in negative sentences by adding not, did not or didn't. Example: they didn't go to the mall yesterday. He didn't bring his lunch yesterday. Did is also used in yes or no questions. Examples: did he call you yesterday? Did it rain last night? Did is used with WH questions. Examples: where did she go yesterday? What did you eat for breakfast? That's it for today's lessons on do, does, and did. I hope this explanation was helpful and easy to understand. See you in the next video. Thank you.